Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Robert. Well, for this video, I'm going to show you how to register a Gmail or Google account. For some people out of the world, maybe you can't get a Gmail or Google account very easily because maybe you cannot get the text message on your mobile phone. So this is a very tough moment. Well, this video I'm going to show you how to avoid this situation, and we can use some platforms to get the text message, and so you can avoid the step that is error on phone verification. Okay, let's go. For the first, we need to find the websites. So it's easy. You just search it on Google, and you can come to this page. On this page, you can see there's a create account button. I click it, and come to this the middle page. On this page, here are some options. Just select the first row that is for my personal use. And on the right side, you need to type in your first name. It's not a real first name. And for the surname, it's optional, so you don't need to type in it. And for next, you need to type in your birth date and gender, and click the next button. And finally, you will get some email address. If you don't satisfy with the first one and the second one, you can define it by yourself. So click the third row and to define your own email address. Okay, set up your password. Easy. And we come to the most important page that is on the right side, as you can see here. If you type in your local mobile phone number, maybe you cannot get the text message, and here's some very terrible message that is there is a problem verifying your phone number. That is bad. So what should we do right now? Here are two very important steps. But first, to make sure the country here is the same with your IP address. So if your IP address is the UK, your mobile phone should be UK. Okay, so this is the first step. And then for the second, we need to go to the SMS Activate platform, as I ever show you in the last video. So log into it, and on the left side, type in the Gmail. Click the search button, and here are some options. There are Russia, Indonesia, and Singapore, and Japan, many blah blah. Be careful, the region and the country you choose here should be the same with your IP address. Okay, make sure your IP address match the region and the country. You know how to do it, alright? And then click the order button. So this is the third step, and then we'll go to the fourth step. The first step is click this button, activations by number. Click this first, and then go to the steps operation. That is the left button, activations by SMS. So click right and click left. Okay, so it's simple. And then we'll come to the sixth steps. That is, you can get a number here. This is the mobile phone number. If this phone number is available for you to get a text message when you open the Gmail account, you can see the text message here. That is for the seventh step. Here is a 6 digits. That's a text message from the Google. Okay, so, well, if it's unavailable for the text message, just delete this phone number, and it's free. It won't cost you any money. And then you can change a number and until you get the text message. So you need to redo the steps from the third to seventh. Find the right country and click the order, and then until you get the text message. Okay, if you get the text message, type it in the field on the Google page here. Okay, this is for the email address, and the right is for the phone number. Both these two steps we have typed them in, and for the past steps we have do it just for the right side. That is for the phone number, and for the text message. If you get it, you just on this page just select the first one. Okay, for the rest steps, there are not very important things. Just browse them, and finally you can get a Gmail account, and you log into it and do some basic setting. You can get an email from Google like this. Check it. You don't need to do anything, and then you need to do some basic settings like this. You just click the button on the right side, on the right corner, and click the manage your Google account button here, and on the left side click the security option and here are more steps for you to do. Like you can set up your recovery phone and your recovery email. So this is simple. I have showed it in my pre-very video, that is another video for how to get an email and Gmail account. It's much more easier because it could avoid the phone number verification. So you can watch that video to see how to set up the recovery phone and the recovery email. It's easy. And finally, we need to do the two-step verification. Click this, click the Get Started button, and then well, right now this is very important because you need to use your local mobile phone number to get the text message. Be careful. For this step, don't use the mobile phone number on the SMS activate platform. Alright, because we just use it to receive the text message at the pre-step, not for here. For here, use your local mobile phone number. That is the number you are using now on your mobile phone, okay? And then you could get a text message. It's 6 digits. Type it in, and finally turn on the two steps verification, and it's on there. Very simple. But you need to download a authenticator app on your mobile phone. Like this. On the right side, you can see its symbol. Search this app on your mobile phone, download it, scan this QR code to download this app. When you open it, you can see here there's 6 digits, and type in the 6 digits into this field, and you have set up the security checkup, and that is two-step verification, and it's on. It's great. Okay, that's all of the steps for the Gmail or Google account opening. Well, it is a little bit complicated. This is for people that they cannot skip the mobile phone verification, so you have to receive a text message. You can use this video to help you. If you want to let it be much easier, you can watch my previous video about the Gmail account register. Okay, that's all for this video. If you liked this video, if you think it's helpful, you can subscribe my channel, follow it, and watch my updates. Thank you. Have a good day.